Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Hayi, uLucas Ribeiro i-icon leMamelodi Sundowns. Nomdlalo omusha weMamelodi Sundowns bafethu omncane uMokoena laphana uselebrate njengo-Lucas Ribeiro. Lucky enough uLucas Ribeiro uyibonile le celebration. Wa-react-ke kumfana laphana online ukuthi hhayi uyayazi le celebration. Kusho ukuthi umfana ubukela, I mean, he curated his game around Lucas Ribeiro. What Lucas Ribeiro has done for Mamelodi Sundowns for the past 2 years bafethu iconic. 37 goals plus 23 assists. Hhayi record ngempela for iMamelodi Sundowns. That is why kunzima for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi iqhubeke iperforme the way, because ispark ne-creativity kaLucas Ribeiro uyibekile ngempela bafethu induku ebandla lo muntu lo. So I mean, obviously they will try and model ama-game wabo around istyle saka-Lucas Ribeiro or be inspired by maybe ama-celebration ka-Lucas Ribeiro. Lucas Ribeiro bedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, i-team yase-South Africa, e-Africa bafethu, waya ku-FIFA Club World Cup washaya i-goal of the tournament. Ko-Germany sebayamazi, kwelakubo sedume kakhulu eBrazil. I mean, when he left Brazil for Europe, nobody cared about him, nobody knew him. But-ke manje sebayamazi kwelakubo eBrazil, sebayamazi ko-Europe, bamfuna ko-Middle East. Why? Because of iMamelodi Sundowns. But the most important thing esingafocus kuyo because of italent lakhe bafethu, nanokuzimisela kwakhe overall uLucas Ribeiro, nanokuthi-ke uyenzeleni iMamelodi Sundowns overall. I think it's sad ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns imluze kanje, ukuthi imluze mahhala after they got i-offer ya over 64 million or 60 something million rands. Bayi-rejecta bathi leyo offer incane, bona bafuna imali e-serious for uLucas Ribeiro. So for them ukuthi bamluze kanje kunzima kakhulu. But-ke mhlampe bazolwa ngelinye ilanga, or mhlampe they will just let this thing go. But sekayadlala laphana kulokhunjana eSpain ku-second division. Yeah, sobona ukuthi indaba kaLucas Ribeiro neMamelodi Sundowns zophelela, but-ke sting stand iphelile ngempela, isekho indaba kaLucas Ribeiro. But what an icon bafethu. Izinto asibonise zona, umlingo against i-Kaizer Chiefs, ubulala i-Kaizer Chiefs, ubulala i-Orlando Pirates, ubulala kwasani nje overall laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uyithathile iMamelodi Sundowns, I mean, single-handed. Khona lama moments khona beka-change igame yedwa uLucas Ribeiro bafethu. So it makes sense ukuthi why uBennett Mokoena azocelebrate njengo-Lucas Ribeiro, bazama ukukopa i-celebration yakhe, because simbonile izinto azenzile. I-South American leli lifike le-South Africa, I mean, uchange ibhola lase-South Africa completely, not just nje amagoli, iswag yakhe, istyle sakhe, iflame elibamba ibhola. Mesikhuluma ngo-Lucas Ribeiro bafethu, sikhuluma nge-superstar leMamelodi Sundowns. Ngaphandle kweMamelodi Sundowns uLucas Ribeiro akaziwa umhlaba wonke. Bedlala ku-second division le-Belgium, bamthatha bamletha e-South Africa, because iMamelodi Sundowns, the coolest thing about bona, they have an eye for talent. So yeah, celebrate in style. I mean, uyi-part of ama-youngsters across i-South Africa, abafana bakuma-academies, abafana bafika ku-PSL, bayamkhumbula. And I think may release i-message laphana, ubone ukuthi abantu bamthanda kangakanani, nanokuthi oMokoena nabantu aba-different, nanokuthi beka-humble kangakanani ukuthi adlale kuMamelodi Sundowns. Superstar, but at the same time uyakwazi ukuphila nabantu. uLucas Ribeiro bekungasumu i-player nje kuphela, but bebamthanda abantu abaningi. Uma ungibheka ngaphansi kwemessage yakhe, bheka unenkinga neMamelodi Sundowns, ukuthi uvele wahamba mahhala without i-permission yeMamelodi Sundowns, but still ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns amaningi ayamcelebrate, even nanamhlanje abanye basamposta, nabo abanye ba-celebrate njengaye. I mean, uyibekile induku ebandla bafethu. I mean, to be this iconic, udlale 2 years. Ubani umdlali othi yena ongasiyi-striker, akasiyi-striker nokuba yi-striker uLucas Ribeiro, beyadlala i-free role as number 10. Si-striker but ukushaya amagoli awu-37 in 2 seasons kuphela. What a success story bafethu. Ubetha ngama-assist, ushaya ama-assist awu-20 something, aphinde ashaya amagoli awu-20 something ngesizini. Uyabona ukuthi hhayi akudlalwa umjita strong kakhulu. Thina, I think mina abantu as ama-fans besibona ngathi uLucas Ribeiro i-cheat code iMamelodi Sundowns, because bekuhlezi kuwuye ovelayo, so wagqilaze kakhulu ama-team amaningi. I think even nama-teams waseSoweto ajabule ukuthi uLucas Ribeiro akasekho. I mean, i-struggle so kudlala against uLucas Ribeiro week in and week out bafethu, it's not easy. Awungeke kwalisha khona le gola kalisha kudlala ne-Pirates, asuka lapha ne-center abashiya, walishaya kabuhlungu bafowethu. Khona leli-ke lakhe against Orlando Pirates abashiya ngathi angazi ukuthi waphaswa ubani wavela ngasesayidini le, washaya like ku-angle awkward but he was still able to convert lelo bhola. Then khona walishaya kudlalwa ne-Kaizer Chiefs, baliskwera lize emoyeni bafowethu, walishaya same time. Hhayi, lo muntu lo beshaya amagoli abuhlungu, ulizwe enhliziyweni ukuthi alidlale. But hhayi, i-flair yakhe ne-technique bafowethu ne-understanding yakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, position based team, ama-first touches wakhe bawubona i-confidence, ukudribula kwakhe beka-draw i-crowd ngempela. Whenever he scores was not just a goal, bekuyi-statement ngendlela akora ngayo bafowethu. Bekhala, what a finish, what a goal, what a whatever. Then a-celebrate ngezandla zakhe nje azibhekise emaceleni ubone ukuthi hhayi ziyakhala. So I mean isikhathi akanaso leso sprint leso ukuthi is like une-sprint esifana lesi nabobani, ubani ogijima kakhulu, labantu abagijima lesiya oSolomons namanye ama-player agijima kakhulu, akanaso leso. But ngeke ulithole ibhola kalula kuLucas Ribeiro, kunendlela yakhe yokuliprotect ibhola. I mean, he became a pop culture ku-South Africa football nanokuthi ukhulu overall. Influence yakhe nayi manje kuma-youngsters iyabonakala. I mean, from Cape Town to Tzaneen, wonke umuntu obukela ibhola lase-South Africa uyamazi. Abanye besukuvela indaba zokuthi Lucas Ribeiro no-Gaston Sireno kumele badlalele iBafana Bafana. Yeah, I think bekazokwazi ukuyisiza iBafana Bafana. I mean, is ruthless laphana phambili, but at the same time you cannot be a Brazilian ufike nje South Africa manje emaningi kangaka ama-players e-South Africa, yiwo kumele aoccupy leso sikhala leso. Siya-understand-a imithetho whatever ye-FIFA, but I mean come on bafethu, maningi kabi ama-players e-South Africa. Noma kuthola ukuthi awekho well equipped than uLucas Ribeiro, but-ke it takes like the hunger. Wena uzisethele ama-goals wakho ukuthi ufuna ukulokhu njani, ukufika kuphi nanokuthi ufuna uku-achieve-ani overall. Kusho ukuthi uMokoena naye bekayishaya le celebration aloke ayifunda laphana ejimini ukuthi hawu, but izandla nje ukuthi ngiyibeka kanje uma ngikora, ukhumbule i-icon, i-legend Lucas Ribeiro, indoda e-powerful madoda. I mean, it makes sense ukuthi ubheke ama-youngsters, abheke umuntu ofana noLucas Ribeiro. I mean, ukuthi uwenzeni nje laphana ku-Betway Premiership. I mean, he gave ama-new generation obviously-ke, I mean, i-moment ukuthi you can learn from mina. Maybe bekangayisho obvious directly or enze directly, but-ke throughout ama-performances wakhe bawubona ukuthi umuntu abantu abangafunda kulo. I-style sakhe siyi-perfect ngempela bafethu, uyi-player eli-complete. In fact bekayi-player bekangadeserve ukudlala ku-P_S_L loya muntu loya, hhayi. Siyazi ukuthi amalanga awafani, khona la ama-game bengeke aphefome kahle, but loya muntu loya at times bekabonakala ngathi u-untouchable. So I mean akahambe vele ayodlala ney'ntanga zakhe, angeke. Ugqilaza i-P_S_L yonke lo muntu lo, but-ke asizibambelane bafethu. Danko, ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.